Hey guys! So you may have seen our unboxing and assembly video. This is a Sunix or Sunix, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. S-U-N-I-X.
Yep.
Builder fan, sold on Amazon for $109 prime free shipping. Comes with a light kit with 2 LED bulbs. Seems like a pretty standard brush nickel builder fan. So far there's nothing about it that has wowed us or made us hate it. But it was easy to install, unlike some modern fans.
This is a little more traditional type assembly versus a lot of the modern ones that have that hide all the screws type thing.
Yeah.
Kind of like the Emerson Premium is an example of that.
So,
but let's take a look and see where the meter is.
it could come back a little. Forward just a tad, and then to that way, just a tad. A little more. Good enough. We'll do that.
Okay. Well, we got the light. Turn off. There's the light.
Comes with 2 LED bulbs. Why don't you try them on the solid state control and see if they're dimmable?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Nope.
Oh.
Nah, they don't work.
So it comes with LED bulbs that are not dimmable. Good to know. But you, of course, can put medium-based dimmable bulbs in there should you so desire.
They're standard-based bulbs.
Yep.
Okay. Now here is, well, let's see what's the light alone. Let's see what's that one. 0.12 amps.
So it's 8 watts.
Yep.
Would not expect it to draw very much. Are those, what, 40 watt equivalents, I think those were?
Something like that.
Not super bright bulbs that it comes with. Again, you can put as bright of LED bulbs in there as you can get to
just
fit.
Over half a power factor.
Okay, yeah. LEDs have low power factors pretty typically.
Yeah. Alright. Here is low.
.39. That's kind of a high current draw for a low. I bet you this uses coil taps for speeds and not capacitors.
Oh yeah, that's typical with cheaper fans.
Yeah.
I know. So let's see, watts. 9 watts.
Very low power factor, so that's interesting.
Yes, 0.38 for a power factor.
So it really doesn't draw that much on low, it just has a low power factor.
Yeah.
But it doesn't draw that many watts, so that's interesting. It's not a bad low speed. It's a little on the fast side, but
yeah, you know, I remember with the builder fans, my parents did complain about that.
Yeah.
Saying that it is a little fast for a low speed, and now they thought putting in the 4-speed control would change that. I said, no, it's
not usually.
It's either the fan versus the capacitance, and different fans react differently.
That's true.
So I explained that to them. Off, high, medium. Okay, medium, it's drawing
less on medium, but let's see if it's more watts.
Yes, 21 watts.
Interesting.
And still a power factor of close to 0.6. Same power factor.
Kind of a fast medium, which I like a fast medium, as you know.
Yeah, except, let me just turn this off for a second so I can test the air.
Calling with Alexa is not supported on this device.
Why is she talking?
You can use the Alexa app instead.
Alexa, shut up.
Okay, I mean, it doesn't really feel much air.
I'm getting some air movement from it over here. Yeah.
Here's high. Okay.
What are you getting?
Just doesn't seem like much. It's pretty gentle.
Yeah, I'm getting a breeze from it, but not a steady breeze. You know, I'm getting just like you can tell if there's air moving.
Yeah.
But it's not. It's not. It's probably a very shallow blade pitch, is what it feels like. Oh no, I'm getting a little more from it now, but still not a lot.
It's still your spinner type, your residential spinner.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely not in the K55 category.
Okay, it's only
low. Low current draw. What's the power factor?
So watts is
a 1,
53 watts, and a power factor of 1 on high.
Okay, so It's not a super high current draw, not a super high airflow. So far silent, and wobble free out of the box, which is nice.
Yep.
You don't always get that.
Yeah.
I mean, sometimes that's just luck of the draw. There's nothing that manufacturer can do.
Okay, so here's spin down.
And this is brand new, so these bearings might be pretty stiff.
And I'll have to, after it's done spinning down, I have to access and reach in the globe to get at the reverse switch. Since it's a little inconvenient, you know, for some people that want to reverse it. But, okay, it's still got a good spin down going.
Yeah. I mean, so this is the kind of fan that I would have expected to get at Menards or similar.
Oh yeah, Home Depot.
Home Depot as kind of their basic, you know, not bad but not exceptional model. Like kind of again when Menards used to sell the DC52s as their basic model. They probably have something like this today. Just based on what I've paid for fans in the past, the price seems high to me, but I wonder if that's just because I haven't had to buy a new fan in so long. Because again, when I looked up comparable builder fans online, they were all the same price or more. So that's kind of what it is. It just seems like a basic fan at a basic price point that is not going to break the bank, but not going to be exceptional, but not going to be problematic either.
No.
You know, and again, it seems like you said it's almost exactly the same as the ones you had in your condo.
Yeah.
What brand were those, or were they not marked?
They weren't marked, but everybody tells me Quorum Capris.
Well, so then this seems pretty similar. Let me look up a picture of a Quorum Capri.
Yeah, that's what I kept getting told. So here's reverse low. And here's something really interesting. 0.19 amps on reverse low.
We'll try it again on forward low just to see if that was like a weird fluke.
Okay, because right now it's a low current draw.
Yeah, this seems very similar to a Quorum Capri. When I Googled Quorum Capri, it looks almost identical to this.
Oh yeah,
just these pictures that are coming up here.
Yeah.
Even the blade tips are the same, which are not.
Oh yeah.
You know, it's very similar. Mm-hmm. And they sell for about $150. So
yep, I'm getting 0.29 for medium. Yeah, so it's not an. And here's reverse high.
So otherwise, the current draws are the same.
Except for the low with 0.39.
Well, again, I'm wondering if that was a fluke now that
0.45 on reverse high, so that's pretty much.
I can feel some air moving from it, but it's not a huge amount of air. It's definitely in the spinner motor category.
Yep.
But I do feel it, though.
Okay. So what I'm going to do...
Just reverse it, and then, try it on low again and just see.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, see, I think it was just a fluke that one time.
Interesting.
Yeah. So current draw is consistent throughout the speeds and directions, and it is a very low current draw.
9 watts and power factor of...
Power factor is the same, so I think maybe we had the wrong button on the meter pushed, or maybe it just was a fluke. I mean, that happens.
Okay. All right.
So, you want to take a bet on whether or not it's going to be noisy with the solid-state speed control? I'm going to bet yes, but...
Oh, yeah, I'm actually agreeing. I'm thinking of that, but we'll have to see. But first, I got Decade Box, since these were We're also on the 3-speed in my house.
Oh, I forgot about the decade box. That's how tired I am. It's been a long week.
1, 2, 3. Okay, so it starts on 3. Here is, let's see what's it drawing at. 0.13, 4, 5. Okay, so just over factory low on 5.
Okay, so 5. So a control starting on 5 wouldn't be terrible.
No. This would be a standard low with a wall control if you were to use this on a wall control. Because I remember, I measured the controls, the 3-speed controls that were originally in. 5 and 8.
Yeah.
5 is low, 8 is medium.
Yeah, I mean, that's not a horrible low. It's a little fast for my liking, but it's not bad.
And that's what I got on those builder fans with the low speed on those controls. Was exactly that, so... 6, 7, and here is 8. Okay, so I'm getting a matching medium, factory medium on 8. So
okay.
So it's like those wall controls, those 5 and 8 3-speed.
Yep.
Yeah, are just perfect for it if you want to get matching speeds with a wall control. And then here's 9. And here's 10. Here's 12. And here's 13. So this is more like the backed off high at 13.
Yeah. So put it on a high. Let's just see the difference. Oh, there's a difference.
There is definitely a difference.
Yeah, so 5, 8, 13 works fine for them.
Yeah, if you want a 4-speed.
Or even if you had like a remote that was a 3-speed remote.
Yeah, depending on the remotes, like, Fanimation learning remotes are 5 and 12.
Mm-hmm. That would still work fine.
Yeah. Here's 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. And here's 20. It seemed like the current draw was slowing up on drawing more current. So right now we're still under at 0.4 with 20 microfarads. So any wall control is safe with this fan.
True.
Which is good to know.
Yeah.
So just for brims, there's 22. I'm just going to go up to 25, 30. I'm really not drawn too much.
Nope, doesn't look like it's
45.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
She's been talkative this testing session.
I maxed it out and I'm still under, so if I hit high, 0.45 on high, so there's no resonant frequency to this.
So it's got some good qualities. I'll give it that. It's
so far. Now we're gonna put the ultimate test that we were betting on. See if a variable speed control, solid state variable, is gonna be noisy or quiet with this fan.
I mean, it's not really a relevant test because only collectors pretty much still use solid-state speed controls.
Yeah.
And occasionally commercial installations, but very rarely. But, ooh.
Yeah, you said it.
That is quite noisy. That is noisier than I was expecting, given how quiet it's been for the rest of the test. I figured it would be noisy. That's it. Well, see if that's the light. Hold the light. See if that's just the light.
No, that's definitely not the light.
Okay.
Because if it was the light, it would have been noisy with the decade box all along.
Not always. Sometimes the solid state control introduces a resonant frequency that just happens to resonate the light.
I went
It goes
all,
away.
When you go all the way high, it goes
Yeah.
away. Yeah. So yeah.
So yeah, definitely not ideal for solid state. Okay,
No.
let's do 0 to high. While we're doing 0 to high, you have any final thoughts on this fan?
Well, it's definitely for someone that's really looking for a fan. You know, sometimes I wonder if the price is in a little high for what this fan is for somebody that's.
We'll do the 0 to high while we're talking.
Oh yeah, here we go. Let's see.
Not much of an inrush.
No, I mean, as far as everything else about how it runs and reacts, it's decent. No resonant frequencies, so most people in their homes, if they put it on a wall control, it's a 3 or 4 speed.
So here's my thing about it. So again, I have not had to buy new fans in a long time. My retail fan experience right now is mostly at Habitat for Humanity, which is different than when I was, working with Fanimation and whatnot all the time. Yeah. So my thing about it is at this price point, I would like it to move a little bit more air. And if it's going to be exactly as it is, I'd like it to be a little cheaper. Maybe like 20-25% cheaper. But for a basic price, basic feature, basic design fan, I think it's a good option.
Absolutely.
Because again, you get an LED light with a nice bowl glass.
Yeah.
Easy to install.
Yes.
People like the brushed nickel finish. Reversible blades, dual mount.
Yeah.
Again, I've had a lot worse builder fans to deal with in the past.
Yeah, like now this would have been more ideal, like for my sister's bedroom, hers is a short down rod because it's the 8-foot flat ceiling.
Yeah.
So, what would also be ideally, is to flush mount it in her bedroom.
Yeah. And I mean, it's dual mount, so that's a good thing. So yeah, my thing about it is
low ceiling.
I could give it a much more confident recommendation if it was a little bit less expensive or a little bit more powerful. But as it stands, it's not terrible. If you're looking for a basic model fan in that price range, you could do worse.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, that's it for this one. We'll see how many more fans Metal Pete has time for, and thanks for watching.